Okay, good. You see, last class we completed what is electric field, what is electric charge, what is electric force, everything we completed. Okay, so we understood about the charge, we understood about the charge, we understood about the charge, we understood about the force, basically Coulomb's force, and we understood about the field. We understood about the field. So force, charge, field. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, good. So you understood what is charge Q, what is the force, electrostatic force F. Okay, so what is F? Now between two charges, Q1, Q2 by R square, and depends on a constant K. So what is this K? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the value? Now 9 into 10 to the power 9 in SI unit. Then after understood electric field, that is KQ by R square. Okay. Yes or no? Just a revision I'm doing little. Yes. So this much we understood if a point Q is there at a distance R. So what is the electrostatic force? Sorry, field. Electrostatic field is basically KQ by R square. KQ by R square. Okay. Yeah. And charge is both type. One is positive and one is negative charge. So what do you mean by positive? Now there is a deficiency of electron, shortage of electron or deficiency, and this is the excess of electron. Negative charge means what? Excess of electron. Positive charge means deficiency of electron. Okay. So charge force field is basically a concept we studied, and tomorrow in exam, okay, these three things will come. Whatever you studied, these three they will come concepts. Yes, yes, I have PDF. I'll share today. Okay. After class, I'll share one PDF. Okay. Don't worry. Okay, understanding? Okay. Okay, good. So charge force field, positive, negative. Okay. So this type of things we are understanding. Okay, that's awesome. Good. Now we understood so many things. Okay. So this force is nothing but that is basically between two charges. So that is Q1, Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. If two charges are separated by distance R. Okay. And if they are positive charge, that means they are same, positive, positive, same type. Negative, negative, they will repel. If they are unlike charges, they will attract. And what is electric field? Now electric field is one. Oh, I don't think so. Okay, so this is the thing, huh? This is the thing. Okay. Okay, I'll share one PDF, huh? I'll share one PDF and after that I'll discuss something. Okay. So just to revise whatever concept I told, and I'll do some questions also. And today I'll tell some trick. Okay. So R, okay, good. Okay. Okay, everyone. So this is the formula we understood last class. Okay. So here it is Q, that is your R. So that's the thing. Okay. Now see, everyone check one PDF I'll send. Okay, but before that, just understand one trick. Today, let me tell some trick. Okay. So what is the trick? Now about the equilibrium condition. Yeah. About the equilibrium condition, understand. Okay. So see, so here so here you are having, suppose we are having here one QQ and here another QQ. Okay, that means this type of consideration is there actually. That means suppose I'm telling like this one. So number one, I'm having a triangle. I'm having a triangle, and here how many charges are there? I'm having Q, Q, Q. Three charges are there, and at this point, another Q charges are there. And this distance is A, this distance is A, this distance is A. Okay. Now here, if you're asking, okay, what is the value of Q? The value of Q such that all charges are in equilibrium. Okay, so what is the value of Q such that all charges in equilibrium? So here one Q is there, here radius like distance is there. Okay, then what is the answer here? Now directly remember this. Okay, no need to calculate again there. So Q equal to minus small q by 3. Okay, so this is the answer. What is this Q? Now this is your corner charges. You see, these are corner charges, and this is your capital Q. Okay, so capital Q equal to minus of Q minus of corner charge divided by 3. Okay, so Q is what? Now center charge. Q is your center charge. Okay, are you understanding or not? So you see corner charge and which is center charge. Okay, corner charge, center charge. Then after Q equal to minus Q by root 3. Root 3 are not 3, root 3. So Q by root 3. Okay, so Q divided by root 3. So Q is the small corner charge and capital Q the center charge such that all system in equilibrium. Okay. So write this. Complete. I'll tell another trick. Okay. Yes. Q by root 3. Okay, now if you see now second trick. Okay, and remember nothing, just a q by root 3. This is the formula, just remember. Okay, easy to solve the problems. Okay, no need to take time. Now number 2. Okay, simple. Your center charge is equal to q by root 3 minus q by root 3. Minus is there, minus is there, remember this. Okay, please write everyone, minus is there. Okay, minus is there. So nothing but the center charge is equal to corner charge by root 3. Corner charge by root 3. Okay, so what is the condition? Now such that all system in equilibrium. All system in equilibrium. Okay, now number 2. Number 2 is what? Now here, if a square is there, okay, if a square is there, and here all charges are there, q, 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 and all sides are equal. Okay, suppose here to your L, here to your L. Now here q is there. Now, so what is q? Such that all are all charges are in equilibrium. So what is the q? Now q equal to minus q into 2 root 2 plus 1 divided by 4. Divided by 4. Okay, this is the answer. No. Okay, so this triangle different, this is also different. Triangle different, this is also different. Okay, minus you see, minus is there. Okay, we'll end soon. Okay, end soon. Just a little let me discuss, then after I'll end. You can read the PDF. I'll send PDF, ma. Don't worry. Okay, you can read. So write this one right. I'll finish earlier. Okay, already we have completed the syllabus. No issues. Okay, completed. Okay. Now understanding. Okay. Okay, I'm sending one PDF in that group. You check that. Okay, before that, another trick is there. Let me finish the trick all, then after. Number three. Number three. Okay, number three. You see, number three. Suppose here Q1, here Q2, here Q1, here Q2, and in between, we are having a small q, and distance between them is r, and here to your distance is x. Now, what is the x value? Here, x value is x basically equilibrium. Okay, you can tell here all charges. Okay, here all charges in equilibrium. All charges are in equilibrium. Then what is the formula? Formula is like this. Okay, so x equal to root under q1 divided by root under q2 plus root under q3 into r. Okay, so easily you can get. Okay, directly easily you can get. Okay, and small q equal to minus q1 q2 divided by root q1 root q2 square. Okay, so this is right. I'll do some example on based on this. Okay, remember r is here. R is here. So this is r. Okay, so this is whole square. So these are trick basically. Already you know how to solve the concept, but these are tricks. Okay, okay, good. So completed Q3. What are you telling? Yeah, done. Okay, okay. What are you asking? Q3 where? Oh, Q3. Oh, sorry. It is Q2 only, Q2, not Q3. That is Q2 only. And here also Q1. Sorry, one mistake here. It is Q1. It is Q2. Q1, Q2. That's it. Okay. You see, this is Q1, this is Q2. Then X root Q1 by root Q1 plus root Q2. Okay. Root Q1 plus root Q2. Okay. Yeah. So change that one. This first equation change. This is change only. So right here Q1, Q2. That's all. Okay. So by mistake I have written that Q2, Q3. Okay. Now Bhetri, okay? Vishnu, okay now? Now okay? Bhetri and Vishnu understanding? Okay. Okay, I got disturbed actually. Okay. So write that equation. I'll do one question based on this. Okay. Okay. Yes, yes. Today only I started the trick only. Okay. That's all. Everyone check the group. Oh, I am sending there. Okay. Okay. That you read. Okay. And today we'll do practice only, not that much. Okay. Already I sent there. Okay. Check now. Okay. With this trick now see the formula. Answer you see. Okay. How quickly you'll get. So X is what? X is the distance from the Q1. And R is what? Total distance between them. Okay. 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 This group. Okay. Now see. Now see question. If two charges Q1, Q2. Okay. So it is Q and a 9 4Q. Q and 4Q there. This one I'm telling suppose. So here it is Q. Q and 4Q are there. Distance between them is D. If a smaller charge you are keeping here or capital here Q is there. Here you are keeping capital Q. Then find X and capital Q such that all charges in are in equilibrium. Are in equilibrium. Okay, everyone wrote question. You see how easily we'll get. So distance between Q and Q and for Q is small d. Okay. Already I have told you how to calculate, but today I'm telling the trick for examination. Okay, I'm telling the trick today. Okay. Everyone understanding? Now see. Now see here. See how quickly I'm getting. So what I told formula? Everybody remember formula? What is the formula? What happened? Just wait. Just wait 1 minute. What happened? Okay, I'll share you. I'll share you, ma. Those who are understanding. I'll write this. Okay, everyone stay in the group. I'm just again coming. Again coming. Just wait. Okay, Kausal. I am making you host. Uh, okay, Kausal. Okay. Kausal, please make me a host. Kausal. Kausal, click on me. Make me host. Yeah, very good. Now see. So network issue or some technical issue happened. Okay. So what I told formula now, if Q1, Q2 is there, and in between you are having a small q, in between you are having a small q, then what will happen here? Now here, this distance x, how to find the formula? Formula is root under, so root under Q1 divided by Q1 plus root under Q2 into R. What is R? Now R is this one. So now in your case, R is given D. So in place of R, I'll write D. What is Q1? Q1 is given Q. What is Q2? Q2 is given 4Q. Then how much will come? So Q1, remember, this is the left side is Q1. So root Q1 divided by root Q plus 2 root Q. Now if you see above and below, root Q will get cancelled. So how much will you get? D by 3. So X is how much? D by 3. Are you understanding or not? Are you understanding or not? Is it easy? You see, you are not doing anything. Directly you are calculating. Okay. Yes or no? Everyone getting this point? Okay. Please message me. Okay. And listen, I did not complete Gauss law, that I know. Okay. But for tomorrow propose, what will come, that is there. Okay. Whatever I taught last class Gauss law, that is okay. So today some tricks let me tell and some questions let me do so that you can attempt some questions. Okay. Okay, good. Nivedita, now understanding? Very good. Okay. Please wait. Keep patience. Okay. One by one questions, important questions will do. So this trick I told, in that trick I'm solving a question, finding X directly. Okay. So and remember, left side Q1, right side Q2. And I'm finding the distance from the left side, that you remember. From the left side to small q I'm finding. Okay. Now see capital Q. So what is the formula? Now in this R formula, it was basically Q. That means which is the middle charge. Middle charge is basically minus Q1 Q2 divided by Q1 plus Q2 square. Now that means here it is your Q1, here it is your Q2. Here what is middle? But in the question they have changed it. Q1 is Q. Q1 is Q. This middle is capital Q. This is for Q. No worries. In place of capital Q, will substitute Q. Are you understanding? Easy only. In question, they have mentioned differently. No. A question is for understanding, ma. Whatever I am discussing, you see, from there also so many questions can come. Okay. Just randomly, I'm doing today questions and tricks. Okay. Understanding now? Yeah. Now see, minus. So it is 4Q square because Q1, Q2, Q into Q, 4Q square. Then down is root Q plus root 4Q. That is root Q, like this one will come. Okay. Then this much. Then you see 4Q square. Now calculate here. Root Q plus 2 root Q. How much it is? Now 9. Okay. 9Q square. So that means answer is 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9. Root Q square. That means minus 4 by 9 into Q. So this is the answer. Minus 4 by 9 into Q. Are you understanding? Yes or no? Are you understanding now how it came? You see, down is basically 3 root Q square. So that is basically 9Q. Okay, and 9Q above 1 Q square is there, so it will get cancelled. So that's why minus 4 by 9Q is your answer. So capital Q value is how much? Now minus 4 by 9. Minus 4 by 9 into Q. Okay, now clear? Now is it clear? Okay, so simply you are using formula. So here this Q1 is nothing but Q in question given, Q2 nothing but 4Q and small q. Yeah. Always remember this X distance we are taking is from the left side and right side all like you can find, that is not an issue. Okay, so please write everyone. Then after I'll go for some questions. Okay, different question I'll go. You try to understand that and tomorrow please do questions, answer. Okay. Okay, completed. And next class will come to Gauss law, application of Gauss law. Okay. And up to what we have completed today, I'm just revising all with questions. I'm revising. Okay. So first I revised the formula. Then after telling the tricks, then after do some questions also based on this. Okay. So when completed, please message. Okay. If those who are not getting this one, tell again. I'll tell. Okay. Again, I'll explain you. Okay. Please complete and message me. I'll go again. You see, left side in our formula, in our trick, that is Q1. In our trick, that is Q1. Okay, but in our question, it is small q given. In your question, what it is given? Check no. In your question, I have given small q, right? Or capital Q. In question, what I have given? In question, left side and right side charge. What I have given? Small q for Q or capital Q for Q? What I have given? Small q. Okay. Okay, then it is correct. No, whatever I have done correct. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. So now see another problem, see. So that is also you did another problem, you see. How easily you'll calculate, how easily, check. Completed? Is it completed? Okay, now see I'm telling here, okay, here I have, okay, minus 2 coulomb. Here I have, let me take this one, minus 4 coulomb, sorry, plus 4 coulomb. Remember, always whenever I'm taking this, my both side Q1 and Q2, this Q1 and Q2 left side, right side should be positive first of all. Then after I can apply this formula. Okay, either positive or either negative. Then also it is correct. Either positive or negative. Okay, but simultaneously nothing will happen. Okay. Okay, either positive or negative. You see, this trick is valid. Trick is valid for this is Q1 and Q2 at a time, either positive or at a time, either negative. Okay, then it is valid. Now see plus 4Q plus 9Q. Now here distance is how much? Okay, distance is basically 10 centimeter. Now here you are bringing another charge Q and keeping at a distance x such that distance x here such that this Q is in equilibrium. So you type find here. So find x such that capital Q is in equilibrium or all in equilibrium, you can tell. Okay. So that all charges in equilibrium. Okay. Also find capital Q. Also find capital Q. Okay. So please write this. Please write this. Today, why you want a holiday? Like any puja is there? Okay. Okay. You see how to do this? You see. So here you know this is your x. So what is the formula? The formula is, everyone completed question, I think. So plus 4Q distance is x. So what is the formula? Now x formula is root Q1 left side charge divided by Q1 plus root Q2 into R. So what is root Q1? That is your 4Q root under. What is root Q1? 4Q root under. What is root Q2? 9Q root under. Then what is your R? R is 10 centimeter. Now root Q will get cancelled above and below. Then above is 2 divided by 2 plus 3 into 10. Now see, this is a number. So 2 plus 3, 5. So 5 and 10 will get cancelled. So 2, 2, 2, 4. So answer is 4 centimeter. So x value is 4 centimeter. You see how quickly you are telling and how easily you are telling. Okay, you are not doing any force formula. Okay, but already whatever concept I told, force formula concept, okay, that means you have to equate the forces. That is also good. But in this way, you can find easily. You can save the time. Are you understanding? You see, meter, if you want to in answer, if they have given meter, then you can write in meter. but it is in centimeter I am writing. You can write in meter, no issues. Okay. So here Q1 is what? Q1 is 4Q. Q2 is what? Minus 4Q. Plus 9Q. Plus 9Q. Because why I am telling, whenever same you to take, always you do. Suppose you are telling, suppose minus 4Q is there and a minus 9Q is there. Then that time you don't do it is imaginary number. If imaginary number coming also down below, it is getting cancelled. Okay, so that is not an issue also. So that's a plus plus or minus minus. Clear, understood? Everyone understood this thing? Okay. Okay. Okay, now we'll go for calculation of capital Q. Okay, capital Q. So please write this. Complete. Okay, in question, if you given meter, you convert in meter, otherwise keep in centimeter. And above root Q, below root Q is getting cancelled. Okay, and it is a root for 2, root 9, 3. So 2 plus 3, above root 4 is 2. So 2 by 2 plus 3. So it is 5 into 10. Okay, how easy you check? Easy only. Now find capital Q. Find capital Q. That is nothing but minus Q1, Q2 divided by root Q1 plus root Q2 whole square. This formula. So here 4Q, 9Q divided by 2Q. Sorry, yeah, 2Q because root of 4Q. So root of 4Q plus root of 9Q whole square. Okay, so how much it will give you? Minus 36Q square divided by, here it is 2Q plus 2Q plus 3Q, 3 root Q. So it will give how much? How much it will give you? 5, I think. So 25, it will give 25. So 25 Q. So Q will get cancelled. So answer is what? Minus 36 Q by 25. Is it coming? Please check. I did mistake or I did correct. Check. Yes. But remember, whenever Q1, Q2 positive, then after capital, the middle charge will come negative. But whenever Q1, Q2 negative, middle charge will come positive. That you remember. Okay. Okay, so this is the answer. By applying formula, you are getting. Okay, that's all. And let me do another type of question. Okay. Can you tell me this answer? Anyone? Okay, please write. Please tell me answer this one. Here Q, and here already we have done this capital Q. Now the value of Q such that all are in equilibrium. All are in equilibrium. Option A minus Q by 4. Option B Q by 4. Option C Q by 2. Option D minus Q by 2. Tell. D. Why D? You see, what is the formula? Now if all in equilibrium, all are in equilibrium, what is formula? Now this Q calculation. So this Q middle charge calculation minus multiplication of both charges, because both are positive. So that's why multiplication of both charges. So it is coming Q square divided by root 2 Q plus root 2 Q whole square. Whole square, don't forget, whole square was there. Okay. So answer is not D. Answer is A. You see in your formula, root 2 Q1 plus root 2 Q2 whole square, total whole square. Down whole square total. Are you understanding? So minus Q by 4. Are you understanding now? Yes, Kaushal correct. Binodini correct. Okay, anyone? Please check. Any doubt, ask. Simple formula, remember, do the question. But see, the left side charges are both are positive, then middle charge will be definitely negative. For all should be equilibrium. If all are not equilibrium, then only Q is in equilibrium. Then after middle charge can be anything, either plus or minus, either 1000 magnitude, 10,000 magnitude, that it does not matter. But when all are in equilibrium, that time you have to be very careful. And in the lecture class, already I have told you how to do this, how to solve this. Okay. So in the method actually. Okay, good. I'll not talk more on this. Let me go a different type question. Let me go for a different type question. Okay, 7:30 will stop, Ma. Don't worry, 7:30 will stop. Okay. And let me complete some questions before that. Understanding? Okay, good. Now see. Now see, everyone. No, class is not 8. I'm telling. Today will stop at 7:30. Okay. And I have sent the PDF. Please read PDF. Read and okay. Ask me any doubt coming. Okay. Ask me any doubt coming. Okay. Just read and revise. And next class will continue from Gauss law. Next class will continue from Gauss law, because Gauss law is not finished. Application of Gauss law is there and other things are there. Okay. But for Gauss law, whatever required flux calculation, already I have told you. Okay. So this question also I'll do some questions. Okay. Now see everyone. And whatever tricks I told in that PDF also, it is available. You can check that PDF. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. Suppose you are having a question, I'm telling, having a, understand clearly, please focus, plus 5 coulomb charge, minus 2 coulomb charge. Okay. Now what we did, plus 5 coulomb, minus 2 coulomb. And the distance between them is, suppose, R. Okay. Distance between them is R. Are you understanding? Yes. Now here, R is basically, I'm telling this R is suppose 10 centimeter. Now what is the force? Now force is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 5 into 2 divided by 10 square. This is the attractive force between them. Okay. So how much it is coming? That is coming. How much? So this 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, I can write 9 into 9, right? Yeah. So in SI unit, everything I'm writing. So 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 divided by 100. Now 100 will get cancelled. So how much answer I am getting above? I'm getting 9 into 10 to the power 8. Is it? Newton. 9 into 10 to the power 8 Newton I'm getting. Okay. Which formula applying? Now force between them. This is the electrostatic force between them, which is basically Q1 Q2 by R square. So 5 into 2 by distance square. So 9 into 10 to the power 8 coming. Are you understanding this answer? This force is coming this much. Okay, just to keep this. So this is the step 1 we did. Okay, so in question, it is one question actually, but I'm splitting. Step 1 I did this. Okay, so I got the force is 9 into 10 to the power 8. Are you understanding how it is coming? 1 by 4 by absolute value is 9 into 10 to the power 9 in SI unit. What is that SI unit? Newton into meter square per coulomb square. Okay. Okay, everyone. Now let me analyze. You see, one thing students are having doubt. Why, sir, you are not putting -2 here? Always remember, I am calculating the magnitude of force. Remember always, whenever you are calculating magnitude of force, no need to put this minus. Okay, whenever writing vector format, that means if you are calculating vector, then after put minus. Okay, but whenever calculating like magnitude of force, if it is -2 or -5, you don't put it minus minus like that. Okay, nothing you put, only scalar you take 5 into 2, that's all. 6 into 2, like whatever is there. Are you understanding now? Vinodini, now understood? Okay. So magnitude wise you to take. So magnitude is this much. Okay. So please write this step 1, this much process you do. Now step 2, another process I'll do. Okay. So this is the task 1 I'm doing. Then task 2 I'll do. Okay, everyone completed? Yes. Writing completed? Yeah. So this is the magnitude of force between them. Remember, this is the magnitude of force between them. So this F is what? Now magnitude of force between them. Magnitude of force. So force is how? Now attractive, because positive negative, so it will be attractive. And one more thing, I think I did a mistake. I will take this one as 10 meter, okay? Because if 10 centimeter I'm doing, then I'm doing mistake. It's not an to the, because you see, I did not convert down also. So that's why the R you take 10 to 10 meter, 10 meter take, not centimeter, 10 meter take. Okay. R you take 10 meter. Okay. R you take 10 meter. Okay. Then after answer is 9 into 10 to the power 8. Remember, if it is 10 centimeter, then answer is not correct. Why? Now because for 10 centimeter, it will become -2 meter. So that square will become 10 to the power -4. So this will reduce, this force will reduce. Okay. So that you remember. Okay. That means always whenever you are doing, remember always the units are correct or not. You see, R was centimeter. If then this 10, then after 9 into 10 to the power 4 will come. Okay, not 8. 4 or 12 will come, I think. Yeah, -4. Yeah, 12 will come. Yeah, not 8, 12 will come because you have to add. Okay, so that you take care, please. So here, if everyone written centimeter, please convert to meter. Okay, let me take in meter. Okay, let me take in meter. So R equal to 10 meter. Okay, now another task C. In this case, what I will do? In this case, what will do? Okay. So everyone completed, I hope. So R equal to 10 meter is given. Then after answer is 9 into 10 to the power 8 Newton. If R is given centimeter, then down will be centimeter square. So that will be 10 to the power -4 meter square. So that's why 10 to the power -4 down will come up. So it will become 10 to the power 12. Okay. But 9 into 10 to the power 8 is correct for R equal to 10 meter. Okay. Now see, in this case, in 5p microcoulomb, now step 2. Step 2 means I'm task 2 I'm doing. -5 coulomb, I'm adding 1 coulomb extra. in minus 2 coulomb, I'm adding 1 coulomb extra. Then what is happening, you see here? So it is becoming a minus 1 coulomb. It is becoming, sorry, here plus was there, right? Yeah. So initially it is plus 5. That means I added. So what is the process? Now added plus 1 coulomb, both case, both charges. Added plus 1 coulomb to both charges. Remember this, both charges. Then it will become how much? Now 6 coulomb. Now find the force. Now distance you are not changing. Suppose distance not changing 10 meter. Okay, if a distance not changing, say 10 meter. Now what will happen here? You see 6 minus 1 coulomb. Then what is the force? Now force equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value, into 6 into 1 divided by 10 square. Now how much it is becoming? It is becoming 9 into 6, 54. And this is 10 to the power 9. I can write it is into 10 to the power 7. Okay, so 54 into 10 to the power 7. Now if you want to write in terms of 10 to the power 8, then it will become 5.4. That means you have to divide it 10 and multiply 10. Let's check I'm doing correct or not. No. Yes, correct. Yeah. Now you see, so divide it 10, multiply 10, it will become, how much it will become? That is 5.4 will become 5.4 into 10 to the power 8. Okay. So from here you are understanding that earlierly force was greater actually. Okay, but later force become less. I hope you're understanding. See please. So earlierly when 5 and minus 2 are there, but now you are adding plus 1 plus 1. Now see the force. Okay, so this is suppose you tell f prime. Okay, it is f prime. So f prime is coming 5.4 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, so be careful whenever they will ask like this. You please calculate like this, step 1, step 2, and check the force and compare the force. So that means you are understanding f is greater than f prime. F is greater than f prime. I hope you are understanding my language. What I want to tell you the concept. Yes or no? If any mistake is there, tell. If you are not understanding or tell, ask. You see, when you are adding here, you have to add by keeping plus and minus in your mind. Okay, so it is coming minus 1 coulomb, and still force is what? Attractive or repulsive? Initially it was attractive. If you are adding plus 1 coulomb to both of them, then also force is attractive. Okay, but if you add plus 2 coulomb to add each of them, plus 3 coulomb or plus 2 coulomb, actually this will become 0. But if plus 3 coulomb you are adding to each of them, then force will become repulsive. Understand? Initially F was attractive, F prime also attractive, because both are positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay, but if we'll add plus 3 coulomb charge, then what will happen? Now both force will become repulsive. Okay, that means lateral force will become repulsive. So please keep in mind, yeah. So keep in mind that one. So this is one type of question you can do. So in general, in step 1, step 2, I told you. Okay, I hope you're understanding. Yeah. So again, I'm telling, please write this F prime, you write. Now added plus 1 coulomb charge to both of them. Then after you calculated, what is the force? Okay, understood? Yes. Everyone understood this? When added, then after how system get changed. Okay, this plus 5 become plus 6. Okay, and minus 2 become minus 1 because you added both you are adding plus 1 coulomb plus 1 coulomb. Okay, okay, good. Okay, so in this way, always whenever they're telling adding or you are subtracting the charges. Okay, please take care and write step 1, step 2 process, then after solve. Okay, and check also distance they are changing or not. So here in this case, particular case, distance is not changed. Okay, but they can change distance. Okay, they can change distance. So please take care. Understanding all of you? Okay. Okay. So now let me go for a different concept. Please keep in mind this. Okay. So here again I'm telling you, see, suppose one plus 5 coulomb and a minus 2 coulomb. Okay, Kaushal, see, I'm repeating again. If a plus 5 coulomb minus, if a plus 5 coulomb and minus 2 coulomb charge is there, then the force between them is attractive. Okay, so here what is that? Now, attractive force. Attractive force. If a plus 1 coulomb added to both, if a plus 1 coulomb added to both, then it is becoming 6 and it is becoming minus 1. Then after steel what? Now steel also attractive. Steel also attractive. So here also steel attractive force. Here also attractive. Okay, and you got the force here 9 into, if distance is 10 meter, 9 into 10 to the power 8. Here you got 5.4 into 10 to the power 8. Okay. Now if 3 coulomb plus 3 coulomb added, if a plus 3 coulomb added to both, then what will happen? Now here it is 6 plus 3 will become 9. Sorry, 5 plus 3 will become 8. Because initially this one, in this case you are adding plus 3, 8. It will become plus 1. Then what is the force? Now force is repulsive. Force is repulsive. So here force is repulsive. So this I want to tell you, and magnitude also I told. Okay. So please take care when they're adding question asking, you please take care this. Okay. So keep in mind in initial charge for both of them adding or whatever you are doing. Okay. And sometimes also they can ask from 5 coulomb. Okay, 1 coulomb charge got transferred. From 5 coulomb, 1 coulomb charge got transferred. Then what will become here? Now plus 5 coulomb will become plus 4 coulomb and minus 2 coulomb will become minus 1 coulomb. Okay, in this also way they can ask. That means plus 1 coulomb is transferred to minus 2 coulomb. Oh. Fine. Yes, same formula, same formula. Repulsive also. Formula you have to apply the same thing, but attractive repulsive you have to check. Formula same. Magnitude wise formula same. Okay. F equal to Q1 Q2 R square. Okay. Now another question you see, another question based on the field actually. Okay, everyone calculate first this. Calculate the magnitude of electric field electric field, okay, as shown, field at point P, point P. So here Q is given plus 4 coulomb, distance is given. Okay, you have to get answer, you have to get in Newton per coulomb, SI unit. So your answer will be Newton per coulomb. 10 centimeter, okay, 10 centimeter, and this is the point P. Okay, and this is your 4 coulomb charge there. So please find this. Then after I'll go to some other concept. Calculate the magnitude of electric field at point P. So here a plus 4 coulomb charge is there. Okay, so you have to find field here. So magnitude only 5. 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. The centimeter. Okay, let me calculate. Let me calculate. Okay, simple formula. See, electric field is K Q by R square. So 9 into 10 to the power 9, 4, 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 square. Okay, so it will become 36, 10 to the power 9. You see, this will become 10 to the power minus 2. It will become 10 to the power plus 2. So 36 into 10 to the power 11. This is the answer. 36 into 10 to the power 11. Okay, because this will become how much? Now 10 to the power minus 1 square. That is 10 to the minus 1 square is minus 2, and above will go, it will become plus. Okay, so R is Okay, this you find. Okay, equatorial point. It means perpendicular bisector point. Already I told you in class. Calculate this. Yes, yes. Causally incorrect. Okay, you see, if we take a dipole, 180 degrees correct. Plus Q, minus Q, and here, this is the equatorial point. So this point P. So this is the equatorial point. Equatorial. Equatorial. Okay, you take this is plus, this is minus. Equatorial point. Then force will be here. So it is attractive like this. Here it is repulsive like this. Okay. Because due to plus Q it is repulsive. And a dipole moment is always from minus Q to plus Q. So it is P vector dimension direction. And it is your innate electric field. So they are anti-parallel. Okay. So electric field vector is anti-parallel to P vector. Okay. So angle is 180. Already I told you this one. Okay. Dipole moment is always minus Q to plus Q. Okay. Yes, correct only. Now Binod understood how to do this. Okay, copy that. Binod understood? Huh? You see electric field in this direction. Yeah. Electric field in this direction and dipole moment in this direction. Okay. Yeah, we'll stop here. We'll stop here and you try to do that questions. Okay. Let me do a last question. Last question is this one. Now here a point A, here a point B. Now tell which is correct. Which is correct? A, electric field A is equal to electric field at B. Electric field A is greater than electric field at B. Electric field at A less than electric field at B. Which is correct? Okay, so this is the electric field lines. Okay, this is the electric field lines. So at A is equal to B or greater than B. Okay, so this remember is a uniform field. So this is the uniform field. So if it is uniform field, yes. Okay, understanding? Okay, so uniform field means this will be equal at each point. Take C also. Take D also.
Sir, I can't understand.
Okay, so I'm writing here. Remember, concept. Remember, at all points, inside uniform electric field, uniform electric field magnitude of field is same. So that's why any point you take here, A, B, C, so at each point EA is equal to EB is equal to EC. Okay. Understanding now? Okay. Now another question. Yes, it is non-uniform. So for non-uniform field, yeah, B will be correct. B will be correct because where density line is more. So here density of field lines are more. Okay, but here it is less. So less dense. So it is more dense. So it is more dense. Okay, so EA is greater than EB. EA is greater than. Okay. EA is greater than. Okay. So this is the last problem. We'll stop here. Everyone, please read that PDF. Okay, and attempt questions. We'll stop here. We'll stop here. Okay. Okay, thank you all of you. I'll read that question. Okay. So more dense, huh? So more dense means more filled. Okay, all of you. Okay, you can leave now. We'll stop here. Okay. Okay, thank you. Read questions, okay? And read that note also, read that PDF also, whatever I sent, okay? Flux question also, flux question, one phase, okay. That one also check properly. Okay. Okay, thank you all. Anyone still there? If you want to do this flux question one, you can try. Okay, you can try this. So just two answer, tell two answer. A, B. Already last class I explained. हाँ. Okay, ma. Let's just wait. Okay, just wait. What is happening? When charge is at corner, then flux throw one phase is q by 24 epsilon naught. This you remember. Okay, how it is coming? Already explained last class. How it is coming? Now here one cube is there. Okay. Now if charge is corner, it is not enclosed. Okay. So to enclose the charge, you need how many cubes? Similar 8 cubes. Okay. So that's why the total outside face, how much? 24. Okay. So through each face, how much? Q by 24 epsilon naught. If charge at corner. Okay. So that is the idea. Already explained this. So you remember when charge at corner, so flux is 24. Prithvi, are you getting now? Prithvi? Getting now, Prithvi? Okay. And remember, when charge is inside cube, like this one. So here it is cube. Then a flux throw one side, flux through one face, q by 6 epsilon naught. Because here how many total faces? Now for a cube, there are 6 outer faces. Okay, when charge inside, so it will be q by 6 epsilon naught. Throw one face, this face. But flux through the cube is q by epsilon naught. Okay. Flux through the cube is q by epsilon naught, but one face is 6 epsilon, q by 6 epsilon. Okay. Okay, everyone. Thank you, all of you. We'll stop here and we'll meet again next class with the application. Okay. 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 Thank you. I hope you understood. Yeah. Kaushal, you are getting concept clearly. Kaushal, please reply. Kaushal, please reply. Are you getting concepts clearly? Okay, good. Okay, please practice. Tomorrow do good exam. Okay, please practice my formula, whatever I've given and what PDF I sent today. Okay, same type of questions will come. Do that. Okay. Okay, and don't do mistake in the calculation. Do correctly.